This is a Barletta Corsa 25-foot ultra lounge with the co-captain's chair, and this one has the manual folding arch, which is a really gorgeous addition to this boat. Really makes it stand out on the water. This is powered by a 300 horse V8 Mercury Verado motor, so it will haul top speeds touching almost 50 miles an hour and get you on plane really quick. Super torquey motor. As we step onto the boat, the first thing you see is going to be the Ultra Lounge. Very unique lounge, nothing like it really in the industry right now. You have a lot of different ways you can convert this thing, which I'll show you now. So you have your forward-facing seating. You also have a rear-facing lounge. You also can convert it into a full-size bed. And while it's in this form, when it's in a bed, you can actually pull up your rear loungers and lay facing forward too, just like this. And you can do that with both sides. Another really neat option is you can actually convert the middle pads to become rear-facing seats, and then to increase your room, you could pull your main backrest up and create front and rear-facing seating. It's a really cool gathering spot. Really nice place to just come hang out on the boat, and that's what this Barletta is known for, man. That Ultra Lounge is pretty unique and really, really nice. You don't see something like this in the industry. Got some cup holders built in for it as well there. Co-captain's chair offers a cup holder section with a built-in dual USB charger and a cell phone holder. The manual arch is incredibly simple. If you need to lower it, all you do is you unscrew this and you lean it out, and you do the same for the other side and it'll tilt forward. Gorgeous captain's area here. Nice flush mounted setup. Really easy to use, really easy to read. Wireless cell phone charger built right in there. Power bimini. Excuse me, this actually is not a power bimini. This is a manual arch here, so. Glove box built in. And some breakers in case any of your stuff pops on the boat while you're using it. Built-in food and water bowl for the pups there. Huge ski tow lockers built into these as well. Goes in about a foot each way too, about a foot and a half really. Raised helm on that captain's area as well. The big loungers on a 25-footer up front, lots of room. 3-4 people easily can sit here. Dual USB charger up front as well, along with those flush mounted speakers and a grab bar. And some cup holders built in there as well. Same for the other side. You lose a dual USB charger, but you've got chargers all over this boat, so no worries. And something pretty unique here, save some storage under your seats. You have built-in anchor storage right into the middle tube there. Really an incredible boat. Nobody's building a boat like Barletta right now. With those vibration pads underneath this thing, you really don't feel or hear anything when you're on the water underneath you. Awesome boat, incredible boat. Come on down to SkipperBud's Lake Fenton and check it out.